How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at some dash cam footage. This first one just happened today, so coming up and truck runs a stop sign. Not a big deal. Don't really care about that. I'm here waiting in queue. There's a bunch of vehicles. Please note, dash cams are in vehicles mounted close to the windshield, so my view is different than the dash cam's view. So always remember that when you're watching videos. So I'm assuming he's turning left because why would you swing left? And he starts honking and raising his hands and going nuts behind me, blaring his horns off. I slow down, I come to a stop, and I'm like, what's going on? Throw my hands up. I might have given him a finger, yes or no, because, well, he did too, as you're going to see here in a second with the rear cam footage. So pulling on up to the light, and he's going to kind of creep on by. I think he's checking me out, giving me the wink wink, nod nod. I'm like, okay, just go on. Here's the rear dash cam footage. So I'm waiting in queue, and people are going to start to go here. And I make my go around because he's way over there, which no one ever is that far over unless they're going straight or left. He's flicking me off. He flicks me off again. That's where I stop. I'm like, what's going on? Give my hands and give him maybe a finger back and continue on. Really not a big deal. And then he gets on the roadway and continues on, and the rest of it really isn't worth showing. He kind of got off at the same exit as me, kind of followed me around a little bit. I ditched him and went home and did my things and came back to the shop. So not a huge deal, but yeah, some weird people out there, so watch out, be careful. And here I am driving down the highway, and way up ahead on the right, a truck pulling a trailer decides, for whatever reason, as I'm passing this guy on my right, to get into the left lane for no reason. And clearly, I'm going faster than the other traffic. I'm not from this area, so I didn't know, construction up ahead, but still, it wasn't even for the right lane. It was actually for the left lane, but I passed by on the right only because he's going so slow. I'm going the speed limit, as you can tell, with the other cars in front of me. So I'm not really gaining any ground there. And then this skips ahead. Construction, ironically, is in the left lane. So he was in the left lane for no reason. Maybe he's not from there either, but still kind of funny. He got over there and went slow. And this is the rear dash cam showing the same thing. And this red car, actually, which I didn't even know at the time, followed me. Basically the same thing, other than they must have known that the construction up ahead, so they stayed to the right. I ended up kind of going back to the left lane and then back over. No big deal, but when you're traveling and you don't know the roads. Here we are passing that little setup right there. And we're coming up to the other vehicle. I move over because clearly going a lot faster. I'm not going to tailgate him. I don't know why he got over there in his POS, pulling a trailer, going under the speed limit. But, people do the weirdest thing, and those are the annoying drivers that get in the fast lane and go under the speed limit for no reason. And the next video here is traveling along, and watch the rear view cam I have up in the right of the screen. That caddy is going to decide to pass on a double yellow. He's very much in a hurry. Funny part is the cops like to wait at the bottom of this hill for people coming and going over the speed limit. So I don't know, if you're from the area, then you don't really want to be driving like an idiot right here, because they usually wait at the stop sign and just radar up. So I don't know. I guess he was in a hurry to get to the stop sign. He didn't really get much further ahead, so I don't know what his deal was. Driving northbound on I-25. Hate these utility trailers that are in the left-hand lane and end up all over the road. He swerves and goes over the lines, and who knows what he's doing. You know, just move over, go be in the right hand lane while you're towing. Although if you're my business partner, then you're over there in your Class C doing 90, using the shoulder past people. It's awesome. It's epic. I highly recommend that experience in an RV. Yeah, he's all over the road as you can see in the video. Crosses again the double yellow, probably on the phone. Who knows? Like, just slow down and get over. And here I am turning left, and what do I see? A fifth wheel making a U-turn. Not the most ideal spot to make a U-turn right there. Highly illegal and kind of dangerous. Here I am coming up to a red light and lots of traffic. Some construction over off to the right, but these people can't judge that, hey, I'm not going to make it through the intersection. So they just keep piling in until the intersection is completely full. And of course, I think you know what's going to happen. The light's going to turn green, and where are we going to go? Even the guy that needs to turn left now can't go left. So everyone is now kind of screwed. Makes it very dangerous for everybody when people do this. I mean, I know it happens a couple cars, but at a certain point, you know, you gotta be like, yeah, I can't make it through that intersection. And the light's gonna turn here, and of course it's like, well, where do I go? So kind of start pulling up, and they get their light, so kind of clears. And yeah, just don't block intersections. So here I am cruising along. We're passing people. We're going to be losing a lane up ahead, but this big dump truck is going to just cut on over. Why not? Why not cut people off? It's always fun. But I don't think we lose a lane for a little while. But anyways, that's it for that one. And here, once again, blocking intersection in Colorado Springs. I'm in the right left-hand turn lane to get onto I-25 northbound. And the light's green for a bit, and we start going. And as you can see, cars are blocking, so the people in the left-hand turn lane can't go anywhere. I always love the people at my daughter's school that are all about me, me, me. You know, doing U-turns and stuff. Here comes a car, nice Lexus. Just kind of, yeah, do a U-turn, double yellow, doesn't matter. It's about them. They could have easily turned in a neighborhood, turned around, and did it that way. It would be a little bit safer. Turning left, the car in front of me, I don't, I guess they were in a hurry or something. They decided to go right and haul ass around the other piece of shit car. I mean, they're both econo cars. I don't know where they're trying to go any quicker, and really they didn't get ahead much further than me. Down the road I was right behind them again, so I don't really understand when people do that. Here we have leaving Costco. Stop at the sign. I stop at the sign. I'm looking off to my left like, where am I even going to go? And it's because of this. We got a delivery truck for Trader Joe's just blocking the whole entry and exit. So now we're all trying to use one lane to come in and out. And of course, you can't just sit here and wait for it to clear, because it's never going to clear. All these people on the left, they're all going to Costco. So there's the rear camera to show you they're all going back there to the stop sign. They're all going to turn and go to Costco, get fuel, food, all that good stuff. So yeah, unfortunately, you just have to go around the semi and be careful. And these utility trailers, this guy's coming up to the light. And will he stop? So the light turns yellow, plenty of room to stop. And it's going to turn red there, and he's just went on through it. Why not? Must be in a hurry for his next job. Here I am. This is the last video you have to endure of me talking for 2024. So got that right car on the right, that's going to turn into the left turn lane. Of course, they're going to try to use it to merge, which it's not a merge lane. I've heard of people getting tickets. I've never seen it happen. I've just heard of that in other states, at least, where if you're using the left turn lane for a merge lane, you could get a ticket because it's a left turn lane, not a merge lane. So it's making it confusing for me because I don't know whether I should go or not, whether they're going to hop into a spot. So eventually I'm like, yeah, I'll just go. And you can see the rear footage up there. They're just still sitting there the whole time. I don't know if they ever merged in or not. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And of course I'm making this at the shop and everyone around is like making noises and funny sounds. And I think one guy just humped a chair. Oh shit. Anyways, have a good one. Bye.